Golden Retriever, 10 tips for training your Golden Retriever puppy. Are you a proud owner of a Golden Retriever puppy? Congratulations! Golden Retrievers are known for their friendly and obedient nature, making them a popular choice for families and individuals alike. However, like any other dog breed, Golden Retrievers require proper training to ensure they grow up to be well-behaved and happy companions. In this video, we will share 10 valuable tips to help you train your Golden Retriever puppy effectively. These tips will not only establish good habits from the start, but also strengthen the bond between you and your furry friend. So, let's dive in and discover the secrets to successful Golden Retriever training. It's never too early to start training your Golden Retriever puppy. As soon as you bring them home, begin teaching them basic commands and house rules. Starting early will help establish a routine and set expectations for your puppy. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool when it comes to training your Golden Retriever puppy. Use treats, praise, and affection to reward good behavior during training sessions. This will motivate your puppy and make the learning process enjoyable for both of you. Consistency is crucial in training your Golden Retriever puppy. Use the same commands and techniques every time to avoid confusion. Consistency will help your puppy understand what is expected of them and reinforce the desired behavior. Potty training is an essential aspect of raising a Golden Retriever puppy. Establish a consistent routine and take your puppy to the designated potty area regularly. Reward them when they eliminate in the right spot to reinforce the desired behavior. Teaching your Golden Retriever puppy basic commands like sit, stay, and come is crucial for their safety and obedience. Start with short training sessions and gradually increase the difficulty level. Be patient and consistent, and your puppy will learn these commands in no time. Leash training is essential to ensure enjoyable walks with your Golden Retriever puppy. Introduce your puppy to the leash gradually and reward them for walking calmly without pulling or tugging. With consistent training, your puppy will learn to walk politely by your side. Socialization plays a vital role in the development of your Golden Retriever puppy. Expose them to various people, animals, and environments from an early age. This will help them become well-adjusted, confident, and friendly dogs. Every dog may encounter behavioral issues at some point. Learn effective training methods to address common problems like chewing and excessive barking. With patience and consistency, you can redirect your Golden Retriever puppy's behavior and foster good habits. Once your Golden Retriever puppy has mastered the basics, you can consider advanced training techniques to further enhance their skills and abilities. Advanced training can include agility, obedience competitions, or even therapy dog training. Remember, training your Golden Retriever puppy is a journey that requires time, patience, and dedication. Celebrate every small achievement and always maintain a positive and loving approach. Start early. With these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to raising a well-behaved and happy Golden Retriever companion. Start early. When it comes to training your Golden Retriever puppy, the key is to start early. As soon as you bring your adorable bundle of fur home, it's important to establish good habits right from the beginning. By beginning training early on, you can set a solid foundation for your puppy's behavior and ensure they grow up to be well-behaved and obedient companions. Training a puppy requires time, patience, and consistency. By starting early, you give yourself and your puppy a head start in the training process. Remember, puppies are like sponges, eager to learn and explore the world around them. By taking advantage of their natural curiosity and eagerness to please, you can make the training process more enjoyable and effective. One of the first things you should focus on when starting early is potty training. Establishing a consistent routine for your puppy's bathroom needs will help them understand where and when to go. By being consistent and using positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, you can encourage your puppy to eliminate in the appropriate spot and avoid accidents in the house. In addition to potty training, early training should also include basic commands like sit, stay, and come. Teaching these commands early on will help establish obedience and control. Use positive reinforcement to reward your puppy for correctly following the commands, and be consistent in your training techniques to avoid confusion. Remember, starting early sets the stage for successful training. By establishing good habits from the start, you can ensure that your golden retriever puppy grows up to be a well-behaved and obedient companion. So, don't wait. Begin training your golden retriever puppy as soon as you bring them home and enjoy the journey of shaping them into a well-rounded and happy member of your family. Positive reinforcement. When it comes to training your golden retriever puppy, one of the most effective techniques is positive reinforcement. This involves using treats and praise to reward your puppy for good behavior during training sessions. Why is positive reinforcement so important? Well, think about it this way: would you rather learn through punishment and fear, or through rewards and encouragement? I'm guessing the latter sounds much more appealing. Positive reinforcement works by associating desirable behaviors with rewards. For example, if your golden retriever puppy sits when commanded, you can give them a treat and praise them for their good behavior. This helps them understand that sitting is a behavior that is rewarded, and they are more likely to repeat it in the future. It's all about creating positive associations and making training a fun and enjoyable experience for both you and your puppy. So, how do you incorporate positive reinforcement into your training sessions? Start by identifying the behaviors you want to encourage and reward. This could be anything from sitting and staying to coming when called. Make sure you have plenty of small, tasty treats on hand that your puppy finds irresistible. When your puppy performs the desired behavior, immediately give them a treat and praise them with an enthusiastic "good job" or a pat on the head. Consistency is key when using positive reinforcement. Make sure to reward your puppy every time they exhibit the desired behavior, and be consistent with your commands and expectations. This helps your golden retriever puppy understand what is expected of them and reinforces the connection between the behavior and the reward. Over time, your puppy will start to associate the behavior with the positive outcome, making it more likely to occur again in the future. Remember, training should be a positive and rewarding experience for both you and your golden retriever puppy. By using positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, you can effectively teach your puppy good behavior while building a strong bond of trust and love. Consistency is key. So, grab those treats and get ready to see your furry friend shine. Consistency is key. When it comes to training your golden retriever puppy, consistency is absolutely crucial. By consistently using the same commands and techniques, you can help your puppy understand what is expected of them and establish a strong foundation for their training. First and foremost, it's important to use consistent verbal cues and hand signals when giving commands to your puppy. Whether you're teaching them to sit, stay, or come, make sure to use the same words and gestures each time. This will help your puppy associate the command with the desired behavior and avoid confusion. In addition to verbal cues, consistency should also extend to your training techniques. For example, if you're using positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, to reward good behavior, be consistent in your approach. Always reward your puppy immediately after they perform the desired behavior, and use the same level of praise and treats each time. This will reinforce the connection between the behavior and the reward. Consistency should also apply to the timing and frequency of training sessions. Set aside regular, dedicated time for training your golden retriever puppy, and stick to the schedule. This will help your puppy develop a routine and understand that training is a regular part of their daily life. Remember, dogs thrive on consistency and routine. By consistently using the same commands, techniques, and training schedule, you can create a structured and predictable environment for your golden retriever puppy. This will not only make the training process more effective, but also help your puppy feel secure and confident. So, be consistent in your training approach and watch as your golden retriever puppy learns and grows into a well-behaved and obedient companion. Potty training. Potty training is an essential part of raising a golden retriever puppy. Implementing a consistent routine will help teach your puppy where and when to go to the bathroom. By establishing good habits early on, you can avoid accidents and ensure a clean and hygienic environment for both you and your furry friend. Here are some tips to help you with potty training your golden retriever puppy. Create a designated potty area. Choose a specific spot in your yard where you want your puppy to do their business. This will help them associate that area with going to the bathroom. Establish a schedule. Take your puppy out to the designated potty area at regular intervals throughout the day, such as after meals, naps, and playtime. Consistency is key to reinforce the routine. Use positive reinforcement. When your puppy successfully goes to the bathroom in the designated area, reward them with praise, treats, or a combination of both. This will help them understand that going in the right place is a positive behavior. Monitor their behavior. Keep an eye on your puppy's behavior for signs that they need to go to the bathroom, such as sniffing, circling, or whining. Immediately take them to the designated area when you notice these signs. Be patient and consistent. Potty training takes time and patience. Accidents may happen, but it's important not to scold or punish your puppy. Instead, redirect them to the designated area and reinforce the desired behavior. Clean up accidents properly. If your puppy has an accident indoors, clean it up thoroughly using an enzymatic cleaner to remove any lingering scent. This will help prevent them from returning to the same spot. Remember, potty training requires consistency, positive reinforcement, and patience. With time and dedication, your golden retriever puppy will learn where and when to go to the bathroom, making your life easier and their experience more enjoyable. Basic commands. Teach your golden retriever puppy basic commands like sit, stay, and come to establish obedience and control. These commands are essential for your puppy's safety and well-being, as well as for creating a strong bond between you and your furry friend. When teaching your golden retriever puppy the command sit, start by holding a treat close to their nose and slowly move it upwards. As their head follows the treat, their bottom will naturally lower into a sitting position. Once they are in a sitting position, say the word sit and give them the treat as a reward. Repeat this process multiple times until your puppy understands the command. The command stay is crucial for keeping your golden retriever puppy safe in various situations. Begin by commanding your puppy to sit, then hold your hand up in a stop signal while saying stay. Take a step back and wait for a few seconds before returning to your puppy and giving them a treat. Gradually increase the distance and duration of the stay command as your puppy becomes more comfortable and obedient. The command come is essential for calling your golden retriever puppy back to you, especially in potentially dangerous situations. Start by kneeling down and opening your arms while saying come in an enthusiastic tone. You can also use a treat or a favorite toy to encourage your puppy to come to you. When your puppy comes to you, reward them with praise and a treat. Practice this command in different environments to ensure your puppy responds reliably. Use treats as rewards during training sessions to motivate your golden retriever puppy. Keep training sessions short and fun to maintain your puppy's interest and focus. Be patient and consistent with your commands, as it may take time for your puppy to fully understand and obey. Always end training sessions on a positive note, praising your puppy for their efforts. Remember, teaching your golden retriever puppy basic commands is not only about obedience, but also about building a strong and trusting relationship. Enjoy the process of training and celebrate each milestone your puppy achieves. With time, patience, and positive reinforcement, your golden retriever puppy will become a well-behaved and happy companion. Sit. One of the most important basic commands to teach your golden retriever puppy is sit. This command establishes obedience and control, allowing you to have better communication with your furry friend. Teaching your puppy to sit is a fundamental step in their training journey. To start, find a quiet and distraction-free area for training. Hold a treat in your hand and let your puppy smell it, capturing their attention. Slowly move the treat above their head, causing them to naturally lower their rear end into a sitting position. As soon as they sit, say the word sit in a clear and firm voice, followed by praise and giving them the treat as a reward. Consistency is key when teaching the sit command. Use the same word, tone of voice, and hand gesture each time you want your puppy to sit. Repetition and reinforcement will help them understand what is expected of them. Practice the command in different environments and gradually reduce the use of treats, relying more on praise and affection as rewards. Remember, patience is essential during the training process. Some puppies may grasp the sit command quickly, while others may take more time. Stay positive and encouraging, celebrating each small success along the way. With time and practice, your Golden Retriever puppy will become a pro at sitting on command. When it comes to training your Golden Retriever puppy, it's important to start early. As soon as you bring your adorable little furball home, begin establishing good habits and setting clear expectations. By starting early, you can prevent any unwanted behaviors from developing and ensure a smooth training process. During the early stages of training, focus on basic commands such as sit, stay, and come. These commands lay the foundation for obedience and control, and they are essential for your Golden Retriever's safety. Remember to use positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, to reward your puppy for good behavior. This will motivate them to continue learning and make the training sessions enjoyable for both of you. Consistency is key when training your Golden Retriever puppy. Use the same commands and techniques consistently to help them understand what is expected of them. This will eliminate confusion and make the training process more effective. Additionally, establish a consistent potty training routine to teach your puppy where and when to go to the bathroom. This will help prevent accidents in the house and promote good hygiene habits. Leash training is another important aspect of training your Golden Retriever puppy. Teach them to walk on a leash without pulling or tugging. This will ensure enjoyable walks for both of you and make outdoor activities more pleasant. Socialization is also crucial during the early stages of training. Expose your puppy to various people, animals, and environments to help them develop proper social skills. This will make them more confident and well-rounded. As your Golden Retriever puppy progresses in their training, you may encounter some behavioral issues such as chewing and barking. Address these issues promptly using effective training methods. Advanced training techniques can also be introduced once your puppy has mastered the basics. These techniques can further enhance their skills and abilities, allowing them to reach their full potential. Stay. The stay command is an essential part of training your Golden Retriever puppy. Teaching your puppy to stay in one place until you give them permission to move is crucial for their safety and your peace of mind. With consistent practice and positive reinforcement, you can successfully train your Golden Retriever puppy to stay on command. Here are some tips to help you effectively teach your Golden Retriever puppy the stay command. Start with short distances. Begin by asking your puppy to stay for a few seconds at a close distance. Gradually increase the distance as they become more comfortable with the command. Use hand signals, along with verbal cues. Use hand signals to reinforce the stay command. Raise your hand with an open palm in front of your puppy to indicate that they should stay in place. Be patient and consistent. Training takes time and repetition. Practice the stay command in different environments and situations to help your puppy generalize the behavior. Reward good behavior. When your puppy successfully stays in place, reward them with treats, praise, and affection. Positive reinforcement will motivate them to continue obeying the command. Release command. Always use a release command, such as OK or free, to let your puppy know they can now move. This helps them understand that staying is temporary and they will be rewarded for their patience. Remember, consistency is key when training your Golden Retriever puppy. Practice the stay command regularly and reinforce good behavior with rewards. With time and patience, your puppy will learn to stay in place and become a well-behaved companion. And Golden Retriever, 10 tips for training your Golden Retriever puppy. Welcome to our guide on training your adorable Golden Retriever puppy. Whether you're a first-time dog owner or have had experience with other breeds, these 10 tips will help you establish a strong foundation for your pup's training journey. Let's dive right in. Start early. The key to successful training is starting early. As soon as you bring your Golden Retriever puppy home, begin introducing them to basic commands and routines. This will help them develop good habits from the start and make the training process smoother. Positive reinforcement. Dogs respond best to positive reinforcement, so be sure to reward your golden retriever puppy with treats and praise when they exhibit good behavior during training sessions. This will motivate them to continue performing well and make training a positive experience for both of you. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial when training your golden retriever puppy. Use the same commands and techniques consistently to help them understand what is expected of them. This will prevent confusion and make it easier for your pup to grasp the training concepts. Potty training. One of the first and most important lessons for your golden retriever puppy is potty training. Establish a consistent routine and teach them where and when to go to the bathroom. With patience and consistency, your pup will learn to do their business in the appropriate place. Basic commands. Teaching your golden retriever puppy basic commands like sit, stay, and come is essential for their obedience and control. These commands will not only make your life easier, but also ensure the safety of your pup in various situations. Leash training. Walking your golden retriever puppy should be an enjoyable experience for both of you. Train them to walk on a leash without pulling or tugging. This will make your walks more pleasant and prevent any potential accidents or injuries. Socialization. It's important to expose your golden retriever puppy to different people, animals, and environments to help them develop proper social skills. This will make them more confident and well-rounded dogs in the long run. Addressing behavioral issues. Like any other breed, golden retrievers may face behavioral issues such as chewing and barking. Learn effective training methods to address and correct these issues. With patience and consistency, you can help your pup overcome these challenges. Advanced training. Once your golden retriever puppy has mastered the basics, consider advanced training techniques to further enhance their skills and abilities. This could include agility training, advanced obedience training, or even specialized tasks if you're interested in activities like therapy work or search and rescue. By following these 10 tips, you'll be well on your way to raising a well-behaved and happy golden retriever. Remember, training takes time and patience, so enjoy the process and celebrate each milestone along the way. Your furry friend will thank you for the effort you put into their training. Come. Teaching your golden retriever puppy the command come is an essential part of their training journey. This command not only ensures their safety but also allows you to have control over their movements. Whether it's calling them back from a distance or getting them to come inside the house, mastering the come command is crucial for a well-behaved and obedient pup. When training your golden retriever puppy to come, it's important to create a positive and rewarding experience. Start by using their name followed by the command come in a clear and confident tone. Use treats or their favorite toy as a reward to motivate them to come to you. Make sure to praise and show excitement when they respond correctly to reinforce their behavior. Consistency is key when teaching the come command. Always use the same verbal cue and hand gesture to avoid confusion. Practice in different environments and gradually increase distractions to ensure that your golden retriever puppy understands the command regardless of the situation. Here are a few tips to help you effectively train your golden retriever puppy to come. Start training in a quiet and familiar environment to minimize distractions. Use a long leash to give your puppy some freedom while still maintaining control. Call their name and say come in a cheerful tone to grab their attention. When they start coming towards you, encourage them with positive reinforcement. Avoid scolding or punishing your puppy if they don't come immediately. Instead, be patient and provide additional training sessions. Remember, training your golden retriever puppy to come takes time and patience. Celebrate their progress and reward their efforts to create a positive learning experience. With consistent practice and positive reinforcement, your furry friend will soon master the come command, allowing you to confidently call them back in any situation. To establish obedience and control. Establishing obedience and control is crucial when training your golden retriever puppy. By teaching them basic commands like sit, stay, and come, you can ensure that they listen and respond to your instructions. This not only helps in day-to-day activities, but also creates a strong bond between you and your furry friend. One effective way to establish obedience is through consistent training. Use the same commands and techniques every time you train your golden retriever puppy. This helps them understand what is expected of them and reduces confusion. Remember to be patient and provide positive reinforcement, such as treats and praise, when they successfully follow your commands. Leash training is another important aspect of establishing obedience and control. Teach your golden retriever puppy to walk on a leash without pulling or tugging. This ensures enjoyable walks for both of you and prevents any accidents or incidents. Start by introducing the leash gradually and reward them for walking calmly by your side. Socialization also plays a key role in obedience and control. Expose your golden retriever puppy to various people, animals, and environments from an early age. This helps them develop proper social skills and reduces the chances of fear or aggression towards unfamiliar situations. Take them to parks, introduce them to other dogs, and encourage positive interactions. Addressing behavioral issues is essential in establishing obedience and control. Golden retrievers are known for their chewing and barking tendencies. Through proper training methods, you can redirect their chewing behavior to appropriate toys and discourage excessive barking. Consistency and positive reinforcement are key in addressing these issues. Once your golden retriever puppy has mastered the basics, consider advanced training techniques to further enhance their skills and abilities. This could include agility training, advanced obedience training, or even therapy dog training. These activities not only challenge their mental and physical abilities, but also provide a sense of fulfillment and accomplishment. In conclusion, establishing obedience and control is vital for a well-behaved and happy golden retriever puppy. By using consistent training methods, positive reinforcement, and addressing behavioral issues, you can shape them into a well-rounded companion. Remember to be patient, understanding, and always maintain a positive and loving bond with your furry friend. Leash training. Leash training is an essential part of raising a well-behaved golden retriever puppy. Teaching your furry friend to walk on a leash without pulling or tugging can make your walks more enjoyable for both of you. Here are some tips to help you with leash training. Start early. Begin leash training as soon as your golden retriever puppy is comfortable wearing a collar or harness. This will help them get used to the feeling of being on a leash. Positive reinforcement. Use treats and praise to reward your puppy for walking calmly on the leash. This will encourage them to repeat the behavior in the future. Short and gradual walks. Start with short walks in a familiar and quiet environment. As your puppy becomes more comfortable, gradually increase the duration and introduce them to new surroundings. Proper equipment. Choose a well-fitting collar or harness and a sturdy leash. Avoid using retractable leashes, as they can encourage pulling. Be consistent. Use the same commands and techniques during leash training to help your puppy understand what is expected of them. Consistency is key to successful training. Stay calm and patient. It's important to remain calm and patient during leash training. Avoid pulling or yanking on the leash, as this can create tension and make the experience unpleasant for your puppy. Remember, leash training takes time and practice. Be patient with your golden retriever puppy and celebrate their progress along the way. With consistent training and positive reinforcement, you'll soon be able to enjoy peaceful walks together. Socialization. Socialization is a crucial aspect of training your golden retriever puppy. By exposing them to various people, animals, and environments, you can help them develop proper social skills that will make them well-rounded and confident dogs. One effective way to socialize your golden retriever puppy is by introducing them to different people. Take them to parks, dog-friendly events, or even invite friends and family over to interact with your puppy. This exposure will teach them how to behave around different individuals and become comfortable in various social settings. In addition to people, it is important to expose your golden retriever puppy to other animals. Arrange playdates with other friendly dogs or take them to a dog park where they can interact with different breeds and sizes. This will help them learn how to communicate and play appropriately with other animals, preventing any aggressive or fearful behavior in the future. Furthermore, exposing your puppy to different environments is essential for their social development. Take them on walks in different neighborhoods, visit pet-friendly stores, and even consider enrolling them in puppy classes. By exposing them to new sights, sounds, and smells, you are helping them become more adaptable and less prone to anxiety in unfamiliar situations. Remember, socialization should be a positive and gradual process. Start with controlled and supervised interactions, gradually increasing the level of exposure as your puppy becomes more comfortable. Always reward and praise them for their good behavior during socialization sessions. Introduce your Golden Retriever puppy to various people, animals, and environments. Take them to parks, events, and invite friends and family over. Arrange playdates with other dogs and visit dog parks. Expose them to different neighborhoods, stores, and enroll in puppy classes. Start with controlled interactions and gradually increase exposure. Always reward and praise good behavior during socialization. By prioritizing socialization, you are setting your Golden Retriever puppy up for a lifetime of positive interactions and confident behavior. Remember, a well-socialized dog is a happy and well-adjusted companion. Addressing behavioral issues. Addressing behavioral issues. When it comes to raising a Golden Retriever puppy, it's important to address any behavioral issues that may arise. Common problems include chewing and barking, but with effective training methods, you can tackle these issues head-on. Chewing is a natural behavior for puppies as they explore the world around them and relieve teething discomfort. However, it's essential to redirect their chewing behavior towards appropriate toys and discourage them from damaging furniture or personal belongings. One effective method is to provide a variety of chew toys and praise your puppy when they choose to chew on them. If they start chewing on something they shouldn't, firmly say no and replace it with a toy. Consistency is key in teaching them what is acceptable to chew on. Barking is another common behavioral issue that needs to be addressed. While barking is a way for dogs to communicate, excessive and unnecessary barking can become problematic. To curb this behavior, it's important to identify the triggers that cause your puppy to bark excessively. Is it out of boredom, fear, or excitement? Once you understand the underlying cause, you can address it accordingly. One effective training method to reduce barking is to teach your puppy the quiet command. When they start barking, calmly say quiet and wait for them to stop. Once they are quiet, reward them with praise or a treat. Consistency and positive reinforcement are crucial in teaching your puppy when it's appropriate to bark and when to remain quiet. Additionally, providing mental and physical stimulation through regular exercise and interactive playtime can help alleviate behavioral issues. A tired puppy is usually a well-behaved puppy. Engaging in activities that challenge their mind and body will keep them occupied and less likely to engage in destructive behaviors. Remember, addressing behavioral issues requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. By implementing effective training methods and understanding your Golden Retriever puppy's needs, you can help them develop into a well-behaved and happy companion. Advanced training. Once your Golden Retriever puppy has mastered the basics, it's time to take their training to the next level with advanced techniques. These advanced training methods will help further enhance your puppy's skills and abilities, ensuring that they become a well-rounded and obedient companion. One advanced training technique you can consider is agility training. This involves teaching your Golden Retriever puppy to navigate through obstacles such as tunnels, jumps, and weave poles. Agility training not only provides physical exercise, but also mental stimulation for your puppy, helping them to develop focus, coordination, and problem-solving skills. Another advanced training option is scent detection training. Golden Retrievers have an excellent sense of smell, and this training can tap into their natural abilities. You can teach your puppy to identify specific scents, such as finding hidden treats or locating certain objects. Scent detection training is not only fun but can also be useful in real-life situations, such as search and rescue operations or detecting illegal substances. Advanced obedience training is also an important aspect to consider. This involves teaching your Golden Retriever puppy more complex commands and behaviors, such as off-leash recall, heel position, and advanced tricks. With consistent practice and positive reinforcement, your puppy can become a well-behaved and responsive companion in various situations. It's important to note that advanced training requires patience, consistency, and dedication. It's recommended to seek guidance from professional trainers or enroll your puppy in advanced training classes to ensure proper instruction and guidance. These classes provide a structured environment where your puppy can learn and practice advanced skills under the supervision of experienced trainers. Remember, advanced training is not only about teaching your Golden Retriever puppy new tricks, but also about strengthening the bond between you and your furry friend. It's an opportunity to continue their mental and physical development, providing them with a fulfilling and enriched life.